What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're gonna finally put the Morimoto fog lights into the Forester. So we're gonna be swapping these bad boys out, and we're gonna be putting in the nice LED Morimoto fog lights. So let's get it going. Alright guys, so what I did was I removed one clip that was up in here on the fender, which then will allow me to pull this back. You guys can't really, there you go. There's my fog light right there. So I'm just gonna get out that bolt on the right, and then I'm gonna keep on going. Alright guys, so I've gotten both of them out. This is what the stock one looks like. Sadly, down here in this corner, down there, it broke. Did that on the other side to me too. If you can see, it's actually part of the bolt grabs onto the actual part of the bumper with kind of clamp attachment, and they're just rested on, like they're seized on. Hard to show you guys that. Anyways, so they do actually go on with a little clip, one of these kind of like push clips. So I'm not worried. I've already done it with the other side and it's sturdy. So that's what we'll do. Seems like every time I work on this car I break something. So I've never shown you guys actually how to take these bezels off the fog lights. These are the STI ones that I bought from Japan. The stock XT ones are chrome. They're a little dirty right now, but these are just flat silver. To actually get these off, when these would be in, you would just take your pry tool, and usually it's good to start at the top corner here, so up here, and then you just pry it out under, top, and then you can peel, and then the last part is kind of like this corner right here. Sorry, I get my fingers out of the way there. So that would be your last part there, but they're super easy to take off. So see, you just line up this corner here to put it back in, and then because it's OEM, it just pops right in. So this is your kind of sloppy corner, so that's your corner to pry off of always. Right there. Okay guys, so I got it all done. I don't find it really changes the look of the car. When I had them out of the box, they looked a lot more black. I don't know, maybe it's just the angle I'm standing at. This one is a little shaky, because like I said, I'm only running one of the clips, and then the other two prongs kind of go into a little clip. This side, same thing, but not as bad. So I'm not really too sure. I don't know if there's necessarily supposed to be a gap there. I can't remember. I feel like mine were a lot more flush than that. But overall, pretty good. I might tint them yellow eventually. So last thing for this video, guys. You guys saw me do this the other day. The brace. Everything's working fine. The only thing is that this bolt is a little loose, or this nut, sorry, on the bolt. So I'm just going to tighten that up really quickly. That one right there, sorry. Showing you guys the hose. Okay, so I just got my 19 here. There you go, she's snug. I snugged it up a little bit. I figured I'd give it another shot. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you guys like this. I know it's a little shorter. I'm not using a gimbal today too, so it's a little shaky. I'm freehanding it since all my gimbal batteries are dead. But as always, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, really not much battery left, so I'm about to swap it out, but I finally got this one in. I broke one of the bolts trying to get it out, which kind of ripped the actual body mount off the car. Luckily there's two of them, so the other one seems to be holding it in perfectly fine.